Hello people of YouTube and welcome to a Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the clip speed. I've been editing videos for a while with my channel and clip speed's pretty important for things. Now, obviously you might want to only do a certain clip, which if you do only want to change a certain clip, I'll show you how to do that. But first we're going to change the entire clip that's here, so that's the entire video. Now this is actually very simple, very easy. You don't have to go to a different tab, just stay in the cut tab and then right click the video or the clip you want to do, and then it says change speed. Once you go to change speed, it will open up this little menu thing. Not necessarily sure what it is, but a lot of things. I think you can do it in the edit mode too, but I don't know how to, so anyways, this is the speed dial right here, which is how fast the video will be going. 1.0 to whatever you want. Personally, I recommend using like 2, 3, 1.5, 1.2. Those are good ones that I've used before. For this one though, we're going to use 20 speed because I just want to see how fast I can get this parkour done, right? And also, yeah, it does have to load, so that's something. Yeah, that's a little too fast. Of course, we're going to have things load. But at 5 times speed, it works pretty well. And hey, that's how you change the clip speed of your video very easily. That is how you change the clip speed to go faster though. If you wanted it to go slower, you would put in 0 point whatever or negative numbers. Actually, I don't know if you can do negative. Let's try it. -2. It's going backwards. I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't know this existed until just now. This is amazing and I could probably use this. But if you wanted to reverse your video, this is how you can put your video in reverse in Davinci Resolve as well. This is amazing. This is a great find. But if you want to slow down your video, then you have to do it in a 0 point type of thing, or else it will go in reverse. So that is good to know. Now let's change the clip speed to 0.5 to go 2 times as slow. And then here's 0.5. Now it's in slow-mo. So that's nice, that's cool, and that's also the end of the video. If this did help you, or you just enjoyed it for some odd reason because you like Minecraft parkour, leave a like, and also subscribe to the channel. There's more Davinci Resolve tutorials, and there's also a lot more editing in my other videos, mainly gaming. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.